If you think foldable devices are very fragile, you need to see this. Honor is boasting that its Honor Magic 5, its latest foldable currently only available in China but soon to have a global release, can even withstand being inside a washing machine. This was shown by the Funbox channel which, as you can see in the video, placed this foldable device in the washing machine and proceeded to record the entire process from the outside, showing how the device bounces around inside the washing machine. So it's not just the water, but also all the impacts it received inside that evidently put this device to the test, and the video shows how time passes and finally the complete cycle finished in 23 minutes. After that time, the device was indeed still functioning. Remember that this device has an IPX level of water resistance, so even if it falls into relatively deep water, it has a high chance of surviving. On the other hand, a channel that conducts various tests with a hydraulic press showed the toughness of the material that Honor uses in the hinge of this device. To begin with, they showed how plastic breaks with just 50 kg of pressure, then aluminum breaks with 750 kg of pressure, and the super steel used by Honor in this hinge required 1150 kg of pressure to finally break it. In fact, they used a piece of this hinge from the Honor device, and with the hydraulic press they managed to break a rock. So, in a way, Honor is boasting that this device is very durable to try to convince users who use this as their main excuse, believing that foldables are too fragile and therefore are hesitant to buy one. The global launch of this device is coming soon, so stay tuned as I will be keeping you updated on everything.